സഹിക്കില്ല. കേരള മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. വയനാട് മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. വയനാട് മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാർ നീതി പാലിക്കൂ.
Stop discrimination.
Stop discrimination.
Special package.
Kerala wants special package.
Kerala wants special package.
Wayanad wants special package.
Stop the discrimination.
Stop the discrimination. കേന്ദ്ര സഹായം തന്നേ തീരൂ.
We are very disturbed by the fact that the government is refusing to give a special package to Wayanad. We have requested, we have gone to the Home Minister, we have written to the Prime Minister, we have gone to everybody possible to declare that this is a calamity of a severe nature and to give a special package. Now, similar large-scale destruction took place in Himachal Pradesh and the Congress government is in government there, as you know. They have been demanding for the longest time that the center helps and gives the assistance that's required for those victims. Here in Wayanad, the whole country has seen the devastation and the pain and the suffering of people. And yet, just because of politics, in both cases, the central government is refusing to do what is due to the victims. It is their due. They are citizens of India. There should be no discrimination at times of natural disasters, at times of pain, at times of suffering of any kind. That is a time when central government, Prime Minister are supposed to behave like custodians of every Indian citizen's life and every Indian citizen's livelihood. That is a time when they are supposed to set politics aside and give the assistance required. We are actually deeply disappointed because we expected that at least highlighting this issue, going to them, explaining the kind of pain and suffering which frankly they themselves have seen. Prime Minister himself has seen. He has met those victims. So we thought that at least out of humanity and compassion, what is due to the victims of Wayanad, of the tragedy that happened there, should be given to them. And frankly, we are still hoping that the government will have some compassion, some humanity, and will do what needs to be done. Because this is a matter which is above politics.
मैम पिछले हफ्ते आप अमित शाह से मिली थी, गृह मंत्री से, क्या उसमें कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई इसी मामले को लेकर?
नहीं, उन्होंने जवाब दिया। उस जवाब में ये लिखा था मतलब कि कितना खर्चा सरकार ने किया है, नहीं किया है। उसमें जैसे एयरफोर्स के जहाज गए, उसका उनकी पेट्रोल का खर्चा, अब ये सब तो देखिए
that they have asked to return back that the money has spent for Air Force written a letter to the Chief Minister and government.
कि लौटा दो इसको।
Even for the security arrangements which we did for the Prime Minister, the Kerala has to pay for that. The Kerala is united and we are one. There is no politics here. We want justice. We are contributing to the nationalist checker. We want our right. That's our
कितनी
demand.
राशि का राहत पैकेज देना चाहिए केंद्र सरकार?
कितना डिमांड कर रहे हैं आप लोग? कितना डिमांड कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
डिमांड की बात नहीं है। हम कह रहे हैं कि जो राशि देनी चाहिए वो दीजिए। जो पूरा जो कैलकुलेशन है, जो वहाँ पे डेवस्टेशन हुआ है, जो नुकसान हुआ है, वो तकरीबन 2000 करोड़ का नुकसान है। लेकिन वो सरकार पे के ऊपर निर्भर है कि कितना करना चाहती है, लेकिन कुछ तो करिए।
നീതി പാലിക്കൂ. വയനാടിനോട് നീതി പാലിക്കൂ. സഹിക്കില്ല. കേരള മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. വയനാട് മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. വയനാട് മക്കൾ പൊറുക്കില്ല. കേന്ദ്ര സർക്കാർ നീതി പാലിക്കൂ.
Stop discrimination.
Stop discrimination.
Special package.
Kerala wants special package.
Kerala wants special package.
Wayanad wants special package.
Stop the discrimination.
Stop the discrimination. കേന്ദ്ര സഹായം തന്നേ തീരൂ.